Hi all, welcome to Shilpat's Math classes. Today we are going to discuss about how can we find the percentage of a number. Okay, so the word meaning percent means per hundred. So for example, if you need to find the 40 percentage of, this is the symbol for percentage, 40 percentage of 200, then how can you find it? 200 times 40, then percent. So per means this line over 100. Okay, then you can cancel the zeros. Then 2 into 40, which is equal to 8. Okay, I'll show another example. Um, 25 percentage of 1000. How can we find 25 percentage of 1000? Okay, 1000 times we are going to find the 25 percentage of this number. So we have to write that number first. 1000 times 25 over 100. Then we can cancel these two zeros. Then 100 into 25, that is 250. So 25 percentage of 1000 is equal to 250. Okay. One more question. What is uh, 10% of 625? 625. So we need to find 10% of 625. So first write that number 625 times 10% means per 100. So you can cancel only one zero. So this is equal to 625 divided by 10 is equal to 62.5. So we can say 62.5 is the 10% of 625. Okay, then another example. Um, uh, 20 percentage of 700. Okay, so we are going to find 20 percentage of 700. So first write that number 700 times 20 over 100. 20% means 20 per 100. So we can cancel one zero, then one more zero. So the answer is 70 times 2, that is equal to 14. Okay. Next, so you know how to find this much percentage of a number. Then, we can do one word problem next. Suppose there are a total 30 students in your class. Students in your class. Out of this 30 students, 10 percentage of students are girls. Then how many girls are in your class? How can you find the number of girls in your class? So the total is 30. Then 30 times 10 over 100. Is it? So we can cancel the 0, the 0. So this is equal to 3. So only 3 girls in your class. Okay, then I will show another question. Mm, mm. Suppose your class has 50 students, 50 students, and 50 percentage of students are girls. 50 percentage of students are girls. Then how can you find the number of girls in your class? It's 50 times 50 over 100. So this is equal to 25. So 25 girls are in your class. Then, okay, so we can see that 50% means exactly half amount, is it, of the total amount, like, sorry, total number. For example, suppose you have um, um, 20 pens with you and you are going to give 50 percentage of this pens to a friend. So what is how many pens will give you to your friend? So you have to find 50 percentage of 20. 20 times 50 over 100, that is equal to 25 10. So you have to give 10 percentage, sorry, 10 pence to your friend. Okay, then we know the total is 100, is it? So the total percentage means it's 100 percentage. So suppose your class has 50 students, 50 students, and um, 10 percentage, not 20, let it be 20 percentage of students are boys. 20 percentage of students are boys. Then how can you find the number of girls in your class? How can you find the number of girls in your class? Okay, so there are two methods. I will show both methods. So first method, we can find the number of boys first. So boys is 50 times 20 over 100. So this is equal to 10. So there are 10 boys in your class. Then the remaining students will be girls. Is it? So 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. So there are 40 girls in your classes. This is the number of boys and this is girls. Okay, then the second method is 20 percentage is boys. Is it? 20 percentage is boys means 80 percentage is girls. 80 percentage is girls because the total number of students means it's 100 percentage. So 20 percentage boys means 80 percentage will be girls. 20% boys means 80 percentage girls are in your class. So how can you find 80 percentage of 50? 50 is the total number of students. So I can write 50 times 80 over 100, that is equal to 5 into 8. We can cancel these zeros, then 5 into 8, 40 girls. So in both methods, we got the same answer. There are 40 girls in your class. Okay, we can do one more example. Suppose you have a bag and you have red balls in it. Total number of balls is, let it be 20 balls. 20 balls. Then 25 percentage of balls, there are 20 balls. Okay, so 25 percentage of balls are green color. Then the remaining balls are red color. So my question is, what is the number of red colored balls? So we can follow any of these methods. So first method, first find the number of green balls. So how can we find the number of green balls? The percentage of green balls is 25. So it's 20 times 25 over 100. So it is 5. Okay, 2 times 25. So 5 into 5, 25. So there are 5 green balls in your bag. So the remaining balls will be red. So red is equal to total 20 minus this 5, which is equal to 15 red balls. Okay, then how can you follow the second method? So 25 percentage green means the remaining 100 minus 25, 75 percentage is red, is it? So how can you find the 75 percentage of total 20 balls? 20 times 75 over 100. So this is equal to, we can cancel the 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Then 75 divided by 5 is 15. So there are 15 red balls. So we can follow any of this method, so we can get the same answer. Okay, I'll show another one more example. um, mm, mm, mm. Suppose you have 30 chocolates with you, 30 chocolates with you, and you are going to give um, 40 percentage of these chocolates to your friend, and you're going to eat the remaining chocolates. So what is your share? The question is, what is your share? Okay, so first we can follow any of the previous methods. Okay, using method 1, first find your friend's share. Your friend's share is 40 percentage, so it's 30 times 40 per 100. So it is 3 into 4, 12. So your friend's share is 12 chocolates. Then your share will be 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18 chocolates. Okay. Then we can use the other method. Then 40 percentage is your friend's share. Then what is your share? The total is 100. So 60 percentage will be your share. Okay, then how can you find the chocolates you own? The total is 30. 30 times 60 over 100. So that is 3 into 6, which is equal to 18 chocolates. Is it? So you will get the same answer. Okay, we can do one more question. Um, just a minute. Okay. Uh, Suppose your class has 40 students, 40 students, and 75 percentage students always do homework. Always do homework. Okay, so what is the percentage of students who are not doing homework? Okay, so we can follow either method. So first method, first find the number of students who are regularly doing homework, that is 75 percentage. So 40 into 75 over 100, we can cancel 1 0. Then 10 and 75 are divisible by 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. This is 15. Then again 2. So 30. So 30 students always do homework regularly. Then what is the number of students who are not doing homework? It's 40 minus 30, which is equal to 10. Okay, then what about using the other method? 75 percentage do homework regularly means 25 percentage of students are irregular. Is it? 25 percentage are irregular. Then we can just find 25 percentage of the total number of students. So 40 times 25 over 100. So 25 times 4 is 100, or otherwise 25 and 100 are divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. Again 5 times 4 is 20. Then 4 times 10 is 40. That is equal to 10, means 10 students are irregular. So using any of these methods, we can find the number of students who are irregular. Okay, so like hope the lesson is clear. We can continue more problems from percentage in the coming classes. See you in the next class. Bye.